down, 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 down for you. When I'm down on my ways, I want you, I need you. So come get me when I'm down on my ways. Don't talk to me, I hate you. Just forget me when I'm down on my ways. I want you, I need you. So come get me when I'm down on my ways. Don't talk to me, I hate you. Just forget me when I'm down on my. Hate my old bitch, that's passion. Love this music, that's passion. Life is hard and that's facts. I'm insecure, so I'm acting. That weed and hands start clashing. I'm in my feelings, I'm crashing. And I don't know what to do, nah. I don't know what to do, cause I've been down this road before. Not to take it personal, but if I hit that and don't call back, then you gon' take it personal, right? So I'ma do right when the mood's right. I'm just tryna be the type that you like, but the shit you say get me tight. I can't even breathe right when I'm down on my ways. I want you, I need you. So come get me when I'm down on my ways. Come talk to me, I hate you. Just forget me when I'm down on my.
Hi Glam Mommies, this is Tanya and welcome back to my channel. Today I will be doing a review on this unit that I received from Sans Beauty. Sans Beauty is sponsoring this video, so thank you Sans Beauty for sending me over this wig so I can do a review for my viewers. This is a different wig, and by different wig I mean a different company. So this is a new company that I saw on Sans Beauty's website. It is by a company called STUDIOCUT by Pros. They're using the same models as the Stylist, the brand The Stylist. They're using the same models. So naturally, I would assume it would be the same company. Plus, it has the same feel, like the way the models are styled and whatnot. I'm just going to assume it's by The Stylist. This is called, but their company that's on the stock card, we're going to go with the stock card, it's called STUDIOCUT by Pros. So this is their invisible deep part wig. So it is only a lace parting, as you can see in the beginning of the video. It is only a lace parting wig, and it's meant to be on the sides, but I feel like you could switch it to the middle if you like. What attracted me to this wig was the way it was colored. This coloring is awesome. I will turn around for you. This coloring is awesome on this wig. This is the color OTHOTCHOCO, and excuse me, I forgot to tell you the design is FRANCHESCA. That's the name of this wig, is FRANCHESCA. So the color is called OTHOTCHOCO. So it is basically a hot chocolate mix, which I do get those vibes. It looks like I don't even know how to describe this color. It's not even a 27. It's like it's like a 27 if you were to tone it. And then of course number 4 and probably number 2 at the roots. So, and it's mixed. It's all mixed throughout. So it has most of the highlights in the front, which that's what I love, because that's the new look now. If you've noticed, like with a lot of, if you are like a wig fanatic and you follow like hair and wigs, especially on Instagram, you'll see how they do like the highlights in the front and then the rest of the color be in the back. I was kind of like turned off by it because the blend is just like a blunt 2 pieces of hair in the front, a lighter color. But I like the way this is because it flows really well. It flows a lot better than how they show it in those recent photos of recent styles. So these are the pros and cons. So you already know I'm not a fan of the lace parting wigs. I'm not a fan of it. I feel like I need the lace in the front to really lay it, to really make it look like it's really growing out of my scalp, or at least look like that from a distance. Okay, so I'm not a fan of that. I did have to pluck the parting. It was very tightly, like, if we took it way too far back. Like, this is back to like 2016 wigs, where you have to pluck every unit that you buy. So I did not like that. The hair is really dry and brittle. I love the curl pattern. It's very romantic. It's a very romantic curl pattern. However, the texture is very dry. I did spray some of my wig spray on it, and it helped, and then it dried up and it became dry and brittle again. The ends came already frazzled, so it was like, what am I going to do with this wig? What am I going to do? It is heat safe, so I could definitely like redo this whole wig and recurl it and whatnot, which I think I may do in another, maybe I'll do that in another video. But yeah, this is, you know, I feel like it has so much potential. Like, this wig had so much potential if the quality of the hair was up to par, and if it was a lace front with the parting, that would have been so much better. It would have came out better. I feel like this color is placed so well. Like, that's the highlight of this wig for me, is the color. Other than that, like, would I wear this out in public? Probably not. Probably not. I did do my trick where, in order to blend the wig, or the lace, I had to do a little cut, which I did show y'all. I cut in there, and yeah, I cut in there and then added my powder. That way it can blend, and you won't see like a really thick, like, you know how girls be wearing closures and their closure looks like it's just sitting on top? That's what those lace parting only wigs do. So in order to clear that, I basically cut the thick part. That way it don't look like it's just a rolled up front or closure sitting on top of your head. Okay. Lengthwise, she's very long. She's probably like 26 inches long, stretched. So yeah, I'm 5'2" for reference. So yeah, this is Miss Francesca. Tell me what you think down below. Have you tried this line out? Have you noticed this line on Sands Beauty? I know a lot of you shop on Sands Beauty. Have you seen this line on Sands Beauty and you're wondering and guessing and like, should I get this or not? Hopefully this video helps you. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell so you can stay tuned to any new videos I post. Also follow me on Instagram and Snapchat so you can see previews of upcoming videos. Thanks for watching.